Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send unlimited emails using Power Automate, which is an inbuilt application in Office 365. So I'll quickly start guys how to do the process. So first of all, you need to have Outlook installed in your laptop or in your desktop, and then you need to have Office 365 to be installed in your laptop. So these are the two applications which we need in order to do the email automation. Or in fact, we can irritate anyone using unlimited emails. So let's quickly start the procedure. And for that, you have to open the Power Automate application, and then you just need to click on New Flow. Then just name it as, at least for this experiment, I'm going to name it as now how to send unlimited emails to Irritate. Okay, let's keep that word. And once you click on it, it will generally create the flow and it would give a pop-up. And once the pop-up is generated, it's simple guys. By just seeing the left side options, you'll be able to see that email, Exchange, Outlook. So since for this experiment, I'm going to use Outlook. So if we just click on the Outlook, so it's a basic thing. Since if you want to run any application, you just have to open that application, right? So we are going to do that. Click on launch application, and it will just create an instance, which is nothing but it is creating a pathway for Outlook to get open by itself. So let's just click on save it. I'm not going to make any changes for this. Okay, after creating it, you need to send an email, right? So by seeing the options, you can easily able to identify that send email message through Outlook. So just click on it. So once you clicked on it, the email instance which we have generated, it has already pop up there. So you don't need to do pretty much anything here. Then you need to give an email. So for this experiment, I'm using this email. Okay, so basically this is the account which we are going to use it. So down it has said as account, or if you want to use any other mailbox, let's say for instance for exchange or email option. So we are just going to give an account here. So it will directly select this email. So I'm just copying that email and I'm pasting the same email over here. So this is for, I know for two address, since I don't want to send it to anyone, so I'm just sending it to myself so that I can show it as an example. And CC, if you want to send it to multiple, yes, you can do it. And BCC, if you don't want them to see the emails which you are going to send it, maybe to the other members, yes. And I'm not going to use that option as well. And I'm going to keep a subject as is dedicated after you read. I'm just giving it so that if I have a, let's say for 100 emails, then it's difficult to delete it, right? So with this keyboard, with this, keyword, I can delete it easily. And afterwards, you can attach the attachments if you want to, or if you wish to use it, you can do it. Otherwise, no need. Now let's just save it. Okay, now after saving it, now we need to create a loop so that it can run 100 times or as many times as you want. So left side you can see that loops, just click on it, and here you can see that there is a loop, for each, exit loop, loop condition. So for this function we are going to just use loop. So it will ask from which number to start. Okay, let me give it as 1 and end it by, I can give anything over here. Let's say that if I give 1000, but when you see the increment by, that's where you need to give the option. Let's say if I give it as 100, means it's like 100 divided by 10, that would be 10, means it will send an email 10 times. So for experiment purpose, I'm gonna give it as 100. Let's just click it. See, if you see here now the loop is generated, but it have to run that many times, right? So we need to drag this procedure either to this. See, okay, there it is. My bad. So now it is in the process. Now all we need to just run the procedure. Okay, let me click on run it. Okay, running it. So it should open up. See, it has opened it. It has sending. See, it has sent. If you can see the outlook here, it has shown as 9, and now it is loading. Since it is okay, it's loading now. See, please delete it after you read it. Yes, this is pretty much working, right? Okay. How about let's say that now it has taken this much time, but in general it won't take more time. Once if you save the procedure, click on save it, and now I'm gonna double click it. Shift 10, I'll just keep it as, now it will send 100 emails. I'm gonna save it, click on save, and then just let it do its save flow and close it. There, open your, see, you can see that in Power Automate application, you can see the workflow. Guys, now I'm going to close the Outlook, and all I just need to do is just click on run it. See, it will not take much time. And yes, it's downloading the process. Now it's running it. Tada, left side, you can see that it has sent 100 emails. That's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. And please do subscribe.